Hello friends, this is Coco from Sonacme. Do you want to know how we make the precision control of temperature and humidity during the testing? Okay, follow me, let's learn it. Between extreme cold and scorching heat, precise control of humidity is the key to the experiment. Sonacme temperature and humidity test chamber with excellent performance to meet your ultimate pursuit of high humidity and high temperature stability. A dropping 1.2 mm thick SUS304 stainless steel welding process. Good sealing, not easy to crack for long-time high temperature and high humidity experiments to provide a reliable protection. Deeper millimeter polyester foam and glass fiber cotton, effectively blocking the heat loss to ensure that the internal temperature is constant as the same. Whether it's from -76 degrees extreme cold to 186 degrees scorching heat, it can easily cope with the temperature fluctuation is minimal. With the advanced humidification system and electronic humidity sensor, the humidity control range is between 10% to 98% with an accuracy of plus and minus 2 seconds. Our humidity monitoring data shows small fluctuations and high stability in the 95% to 98% humidity range. So you do not need to worry about data deviation in high humidity experiments, easily to obtain accurate and reliable experimental results. Okay, so much for today's introduction. If you would like to know more detail, please contact with us. Bye-bye.